Hey guys, we're going to go over adding a image in Microsoft Word. It's pretty simple. You want to open up your Word document, you want to go to Insert, and if you don't see this toolbar the way I see it here, it could be that you have this on Show Tabs only, in which case it's just going to look like this. You can still do it by clicking Insert, but I would suggest keeping that up there. So if you click on Insert and you go over to this arrow and you say always show ribbon, then that'll just stay open. And so if we go to Insert, we go to Pictures from this device, and then go to your picture folder, wherever you have it, and choose the picture you'd like to add. So for me, let's add one of these AI generated images. And at this point, you can do all sorts of things. You can, we'll go over a few tech or image effects and resizing. Resizing is as simple as clicking on the bottom right corner, or even any of these really work, but the bottom right corner is most intuitive because you're actually stretching it the way it is allowed to go. And if you want it to kind of ignore the margins, because right now we cannot move this image over, it's stuck on the margin. Now you could do a couple things with that. You could change the margin. We'll go over that real quick. So if we go to Layout and we go to Margins, we could choose Narrow Margins. And so it's a much narrower area that's reserved on the edges now. But also, in addition to that, if we had something else in mind with this image where it wasn't going to be just here, but something was going to be on it. Maybe you're making a flyer, maybe you're making an invitation, you want to put big words across this. And we would have to check or test the, or change the wrap text settings. So we'd want to go right click on the image, go to wrap text, and go to behind text. And now you'll see that it even ignores the margins, which is cool. So you could stretch it over your entire page if you wanted. All right. And now let's go to, let's just go to type something. And you see, we can't really see what's going on there. So we're going to select the text. We're going to change the color up here to white. We'll make it bold, and we'll make it something like impact, and increase the size quite a bit. Okay, that's okay, but can't really see it. White's not working out for us. Let's go to red, and we'll turn off show formatting. There we go. So we can see our words over the image here, and you could just keep typing. So we have a text over an image here now. But let's go back to some more image options. So we're just going to get rid of that. We're going to go back and insert a picture again from this device. We'll choose something a little different. We'll go with this guy. And let's say we just wanted a frame on it. Right here, we're in picture format. It automatically opens up this tab. You will not see picture format if you do not have a picture selected. See how it disappears? Click on the picture, picture format. We could add a frame. That looks kind of neat. We could add a frame to it. You could scroll down and add different sorts of things. We've got kind of a circular frame that fades out. So you have picture border. You can change the color of it here. So you have just all sorts of options. Picture effects. These are fun. So you can see this one kind of gives it a little bit of shadow on the edge of the image. It looks like it's an actual picture that's sitting, or maybe just sitting right above the page. You got reflection. That's kind of fun. Throws a reflection on the bottom. You've got 3D rotations, kind of cool. You can make it look like, if you're doing some kind of a wedding invitation, I don't know, something like that. You could have that setting like it's sitting on the page, change the perspective completely of it, and then you could even write your message here. So if we went back to the wrap text options and we put it behind the text, we could put this wherever we'd like. And then we could format it in such a way where we could actually type over here. And there's a million ways to do that, but that's for another day. Yeah. So kind of some cool options in Microsoft Word for creating some neat effects on your images. Just thought I'd share that with you. You guys have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find